Welcome back to Ideaplex, your go-to channel for the latest in tech and innovation. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of AI art creation with an incredible tool called GenCraft.com, an AI art creation tool that helps generate unique and stunning images and videos. Whether you're an artist, designer, or content creator, GenCraft offers endless possibilities for creativity. Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized many industries, and the world of art is no exception. GenCraft.com is a platform that leverages AI to generate unique and stunning images and videos. Whether you're an artist looking for inspiration, a marketer in need of eye-catching visuals, or just someone curious about the capabilities of AI, GenCraft has something for you. First, head over to GenCraft.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive dashboard. The dashboard is where all the magic happens. You can start a new project, browse through existing templates, and access your saved projects. Let's create a new project to see how it works. GenCraft offers a range of features designed to make art creation easy and accessible. Here are some of the key features. Image generation: generate high quality images with just a few clicks. Simply enter a description or keywords and GenCraft AI will create an image based on your input. Video creation: create stunning videos by combining images, text and music. GenCraft AI can help you craft professional looking videos in minutes. Customization options: adjust various parameters to fine-tune your creations. From color schemes to styles, you have control over the final output. Templates and presets: choose from a variety of templates and presets to jumpstart your projects. These are great for those who want quick results without spending too much time on customization. Now, let's dive into a hands-on demonstration. I'll show you how easy it is to create a unique piece of art using GenCraft. Image generation demonstration. First, let's generate an image. I'll start by entering a description: a serene mountain landscape at sunset. Now, let's hit the generate button and see what happens. And there we have it, a beautiful AI generated image of a mountain landscape at sunset. You can see the rich colors and details that make this image stand out. GenCraft isn't just for images. You can also create amazing videos. You can choose a style and theme for your video. You can also add music and adjust the length of the video. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Generate Video. The AI will create a beautiful and dynamic video based on your selections. It's an engaging and unique piece of art that you can use for various purposes, from social media posts to presentations. GenCraft also offers additional features like saving your projects for future edits, browsing through a library of templates, and collaborating with others. These tools make it easy to create and share your art. Now let's talk about pricing. GenCraft offers a range of plans to suit different needs. There's a plan that lets you get started with basic features, and premium plans that unlock additional tools and higher resolution outputs. As you can see, GenCraft.com is a powerful tool for anyone looking to create unique and stunning visuals with the help of AI. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just getting started, GenCraft makes the process easy and fun. Be sure to check out GenCraft.com and explore its features for yourself. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Ideaplex. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content on the latest in technology and creativity. Until next time, stay creative.